Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get Afterpay on Cash App. Now, what you want to do once you launch Cash App, come here at the bottom right and click on this icon. This will take you to the offer section, and here you'll see this Pay Over Time Macy's, Pay Over Time Amazon, Pay Over Time Walmart. This Pay Over Time, it's actually Afterpay. It's the other name they have when you browse through Cash App itself. You can click on Pay Over Time and see the different offers. You'll see all the different companies or websites that offer Pay Over Time with Cash App. Then you just click on any of the websites. Come here, click on Shop Now. Then all you need to do is when you are at checkout, you click on Add New Card. And they will automatically fill in the details for you. And you can pay over 6 weeks. So click on Got It. And then at checkout, you just add a new card. Click on OK once you're checking out, and then click on Add a Payment Method. Tap on Add a Credit or Debit Card, and they will automatically fill in the details for you. And you can have a chance to review your full Amazon order, your loan details. Then once you're happy with it, just scroll down. You can, change your payment schedule. Remember, it'll be paid through your Cash App balance. It says Afterpay. Just scroll down, click on Continue, and just confirm your purchase and save it. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.